Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about a toothpaste I recently tried. I recently went to the dentist and I was telling, she was like, "Oh, do you have any problems?" And I was telling her, I don't really have any problems with my teeth, but I get a little bit of tooth sensitivity in the back of my mouth, especially if I'm eating fruit or something cold. Sometimes it could be really painful and I'll just have to chew slow. It really just is with anything cold for some reason. And I usually do use whitening toothpaste because I love them. They make your mouth feel clean, and I love having my teeth as white as possible. And I've tried some other more natural toothpaste, and I just didn't get that same clean feeling from them that I did from other brands. I tried Sensodyne. She gave me a little sample of it, and it actually makes my mouth feel really minty. Now, as far as whitening, I don't think it has much in there for whitening, but it definitely gives you that minty, clean feeling. So what I've decided to do is kind of switch on and off. So use the whitening toothpaste maybe half the week, and then use Sensodyne Pronamel the other half of the week, and that should really help. So this is just a little sample tube, but of course you could get the larger size too. The net weight is 0.8 ounces. I actually like this. It's perfect for traveling and on the go and stuff like that. If you can't bring a full tube of toothpaste with you for whatever reason, especially in a carry-on bag, I don't think you can. I think it has to be under 3 ounces. So the travel size is great for that. So toothpaste is for sensitive teeth and cavity prevention. Strengthens and re-hardens enamel and protects against the effects of acid erosion. Acid everyday food, let's see what this says, such as some fruit and acidic drinks like orange juice and wine can dissolve minerals from our teeth, softening the enamel surface, which is then easily worn away. As the enamel becomes thinner, teeth can become visibly less white, weaker, and sensitive. And then trademarks are owned by or licensed to the GSK Group of Companies, 2015 copyright, GSK Consumer Healthcare in Warren, New Jersey. Active ingredients: potassium nitrate, anti-hypersensitivity, sodium fluoride 0.25%, 0.15% fluoride ion, anti-cavity uses, builds increasing protection against painful sensitivity of the teeth to cold, heat, acid, sweets, or contact. So in my case, it would be the colds, cold food, fruits, and stuff like that. Aids in the prevention of dental cavities. Warnings: when using this product, if irritation occurs, discontinue use. Stop use and ask a dentist if the problem persists or worsens. Sensitive teeth may indicate a serious problem that may need prompt care by a dentist. Pain/sensitivity still persists after 4 weeks of use. Keep out of reach of children. If more than used for brushing is accidentally swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Directions: adults and children 12 years of age and older. Apply at least a 1-inch strip of the product onto a soft bristle brush. Brush teeth thoroughly for at least 1 minute twice a day, morning and evening, and not more than 3 times a day, or as recommended by a dentist or doctor. Make sure to brush all sensitive areas of the teeth. Minimize swallowing. Spit out after brushing. Children under 12 years of age, consult a dentist or doctor. Other information: store below 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. There's the number you could call if you have any questions. Always follow the label. Help protect your enamel against the effects of acid erosion. I'm going to open this up and see it's white. Oh, just a white paste. The flavor, now it gives me this, not in a bad way at all, it gives me this tingly sensation after I use it. It has an aftertaste, which not really bad. It's different than what I'm used to with the whitening toothpaste that I typically use. So you guys, if you're not used to it and you try it, you might get a little bit of a tingling sensation that you're not used to. But it definitely makes your mouth feel clean, and that's what I love. And I have to use I feel for me, I have to use a toothpaste with mint, or else my teeth just don't feel clean. I don't know if there's any of you guys out there that are also like that, but that's how I feel. So yeah, I was really happy with this product. I was reluctant because I'm like, oh, like I love my whitening toothpaste, but I could definitely tell that this helps, like just even after using it a couple times and then going to eat the fruit, it's really not as painful. And I know that using the whitening toothpaste can be, you know, damaging to making your gums more sensitive. So it's really good for helping to prevent that. So like I said, I'm going to just wean off my whitening toothpaste slowly, and I'm going to be using Sensodyne Pronamel half the week and whitening toothpaste half the week. And you know, I think that should just really help with my sensitivity. So this is Sensodyne Pronamel Fresh Breath. I hope you ladies and gentlemen try it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.